Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So you guys are watching e-learning with Suruchi and I am an educator, Suruchi Mahato. So in this particular video I will show you how to insert mathematical equation in LaTeX, okay, using math mode. I'm using math mode and package equation. So I will begin equation. I will insert a kind of mathematical equation in a particular LaTeX document, okay. So I will show you the procedure. So without wasting the time, let's get started. So I have wrote document class over here, as you can see. Now after that I will use package AMSmooth, okay. I'm using package AMSmooth. I'm sorry, there is a different bracket. You have to use second bracket in every program if you don't know about. If you are a beginner, then please note this particular statement that you have to use second bracket in every code, okay. After that I start begin document, begin document. After that type enter and then non-indent. I'm using non-indent to make the statement more superior. Non-indent, the ends of words and sentences are marked by space. I'm writing in my by my own, okay. You can use some other statement over here also, what you want to write in your LaTeX document, whatever you want to write in that. So I'm writing this kind of word. After that I can write it doesn't, it doesn't matter how many spaces you type, okay. One is good enough as 100, okay. So I have written a particular statement and after that I want to change the line. So to change, suppose I'm writing a statement over here and after that I just want to start it with next line. So what you will do at that time, you have to use double slash over here like this. So this is the particular slash which you have to use to change this line. Now I've used one or more blank lines donate. One of more blanks like donate I'm using by my own, okay. So don't copy it out, you just need to see the format what I'm writing, don't see the body part. And if you are interested to, you can take as your example or sample in your own system, okay, of the paragraph. So I've written this much, full stop. Now enter, you can press enter over here. So this is my LaTeX document. Before using that, you have to place a slash over here too, I think. No, just you can type just here. This is my containing mathematical equation, okay. I've written up to this, put full stop, whatever you want. Now I'm using donate, okay. You have to use this particular dollar to write the equation. So to write any kind of equation you have to use dollar, okay. And then I will write a, you can write whatever you want, what equation is in your exercise, okay. A x ax to the power 2, that means I'm using x square. That particular word means ax square plus bx plus I'm writing an equation, a linear equation, okay, c equal to 0, and I just want to put it on center of the document. If you want to put it on center, you have to use dollar sign, double dollar sign. And if you just want to put line wise your equation, if you want your equation in a proper row, then you don't have to put double dollar, you can use only $1 over here. But in this particular document, I just want this equation at the middle of my page, that's why I'm using $2 over here. Now I can in a given line, okay, I just want it in small letters, in a given line. So yeah, now I just want to end my document, so click type end second bracket document. So yeah, this was it. Let's save this particular file. I'm using Windshell. You can use some other LaTeX app also, like you can use TextMaker, it's very good, but I'm feeling comfortable in using Windshell, that's why I'm using Windshell. So let's write math mode in LaTeX. No, only math mode, okay. I just want to save. I have saved it on my downloads. You can save anywhere in your system, it will not harm. So I've saved it out. Now let's execute. Let's see if there is any error or not. So output will come over here. So I've used AmpSmooth. You if you want to use, then you can. If you don't, then also it's okay, you don't need to use that. Now click on PDF view. Let's see what happened. Okay, so there is an error which has been came, so I just do this. Let's see what happened then. So yeah, you can see you have it as you. Actually my AmpSmooth package was not installed on my MikTeX, that's why I can't be able to use that MikTeX. You have to install first from your system, then only you can use that. But otherwise you can do in such a way also. This is the best way to use. So you can see I just want to change the next line, so one has came on the next line and the equation is at the middle. So whatever I want from my programming, I got it in this PDF. You can see that. So this was my PDF, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys like it, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any kind of queries regarding this particular video or LaTeX, I'm here for you. You can ask your queries on comment box and I will definitely reply you, okay. So thank you so much, stay blessed, have a nice day, bye.